Make kibbel like this next time. In a package, I will add 500 grams of kibbel and 7 ml of hot water so that the kibbel flour swells fast. Leave to rest for 30 minutes. In a crusher, dependent on 5 cloves of garlic, half a cup of mint, remembering that the crusher was a gift from the online sales store. I will leave the link to their website here in the description and enter there just to put the coupon Pobre Cozinha to get 100% of any product. Remembering that the shipping is free throughout Brazil and this crusher is wonderful. Look, very practical, efficient, and will help you a lot in your kitchen. Let's leave our seasoning aside. Our kebab flour is ready. Look, no water at the bottom of the container. Now just take all this kebab flour and put it in a blender. Now it's just a matter of beating it slowly until the flour becomes a very consistent dough. And that's how we want it to stay. This is the ideal point of our dough, and just repeat the process with the rest of the flour. With all the flour beaten, I will add the mint with the crushed garlic, 1 chopped onion, chives to taste, 300 grams of ground beef, 3 tablespoons of salt, pepperoni to taste. I'm going to grease my hands with oil and now I just mix everything very well until it's at this point. Now take some and eat a model. Tighten the dough well so that it's very consistent. And at the end, make a hole in the middle, which is where our filling will go. It will stay that way. Here, I used mozzarella and it was not a total of 400 grams that was used, but you can refuse by using more or less than the amount. Now just close this hole and model it in the shape of a kibbel. Perfect, now let's fry it very hot oil. Ready folks, our kebab is already fried and look how beautiful and delicious it is. Guys, I hope you liked this recipe. Do it at your home, I'm sure everyone will love it. This was another little recipe here from the poor in the kitchen. That strong hug, until the next time, and thanks for watching.